Should I wear jewelry, guys? Like, I think that might be really fun. Maybe these earrings. Maybe my Tiffany-esque heart that V gave me. I'm gonna wear this. And these earrings. Ready, ready, ready. Hey YouTube, it's Anna Couture. Wow, it is so nice to be back. I know I haven't posted a video in like a month, and I'm really sorry for that. I've gone through like a ton of life changes in the past month. If you notice, I'm in a different filming location, like entirely different than anywhere I've ever been before. And it is my new walk-in closet and the house me and my wife just got, which is so exciting, even though it was really taxing to move again. Anyways, so a lot's happened. I'm so excited to come back on and share with you my April beauty favorites. I found 5 products that I absolutely love, and I'm really excited about these. And they've, like, some of them have made my life, like, so much better. So, without further ado, let's, like, start the video. Okay, so the first product is this Wild Growth hair oil. I found it at the hair store, which I don't mean, like, Sally's, I mean, like, a real hair store with, like, hair at it, wigs, extension, weaves, braids, all that good stuff. I go to the hair store near me called Modern Hair World, and I buy my extensions, and I mostly buy weave tracks, and then I sew the clips on, and I buy my ponytails there. Love Modern Hair World. It's in Swissvale on Church Street in Pittsburgh. If you're around, check it out. But this is Wild Growth hair serum, and it is amazing. It's made my hair grow so fast, and the like pros of it are 1, really fast hair growth, 2, it's really easy application with this like nozzle thing, because you just kind of like stick it through your hair and like drag it down, and then the oil tends to really evenly disperse on its own. There's not a lot of rubbing like I have to do with my vitamin E oil, where I have to put it in my hands and then rub it through my scalp and try to get it everywhere. Another thing is, like a con, is the way it smells. My wife says, I think there's like mustard seed in it maybe, but it definitely smells a little like mustardy mixed with a little bit of like kind of patchouli vibes, kind of bohemian vibes smelling. There aren't a lot of chemicals in it, which is kind of amazing because most hair growth stuff on the market nowadays is super chemical heavy. And this is like all natural, but it's strong. And you can tell by the scent that it's so strong. But I put it in my hair and it grows so fast. It'll grow at least half an inch in like 2.5 weeks. And I know this because when my hair gets to half an inch, I end up doing a bleach bath, and bleaching my roots because I'm not a real blonde. So I really want long hair, and that's why I picked this up, because I've read really good things about it, and it really has like done wonders, and it makes your hair so thick and so silky. And other than the smell, like, it's amazing, and the smell is enough to look past for the effects it has. You are only supposed to use it like 3 times a week. At first you're supposed to use it once a week and then up it to twice, and 3 times a week is the max. I don't really know why, but I listen, because it's literally so strong. It, like, you can tell, and it doesn't burn your scalp per se, but it tingles. You'll get that tingly feeling like, oh, so something is working. So, overall, this is a 5 out of 5 product. I am going to buy it again. because it's made my hair grow so long, and I really, really love it. My next product is the product I used to get my hair to look like this. It is the Bedhead Tigi Wave Artist. It's a crimper more like, and it isn't quite the same consistency as the roller wave crimper things. It's more of a deep wave pattern and smaller, but it is my favorite thing. It is adjustable, and you can, change it from high to low using a little spinner. Pros about this, it makes my hair gorgeous. I really like the way my hair will turn out. It's really fast and easy to use. You just go kind of like that, and it takes maybe 15-20 minutes for me to do my whole head, but that's because my hair isn't very long. It locks. There's a button right here to lock it for travel. A few cons about this are it gets really hot. I would never have it on the highest setting. I did that the first time I got it and used it, and it did make my hair smell like burnt hair a little, and I was like, oh, you can't crank this up. That's not the way this machine works. It gets really hot. Because of the kind of awkward shaping, it will burn you if you are not super careful. I got a really bad burn on my neck from it because I wasn't really paying attention. Because you have to get it so close to your root, it can burn your scalp a little. That's only if you're really using it improperly and have it on too high heat, but it gets so hot so fast, which is definitely another pro. One more con about it is it's a little difficult to get it close enough to the root of your hair to keep it from having a small bump in it, where it goes flat and then bump. I found ways around this, putting a small ponytail in, or doing little buns, or using a headband. I haven't fully figured out how to keep it from bumping like that, but I'm sure I will eventually, and I just love the way it makes my hair look. 5 out of 5 product. Absolutely love it. Super happy with it. So my next product is the Amika Violet Mixtape Blonde Toning Drops. These are a game changer if you're a bleach blonde, if you're natural blonde, if you're a natural blonde that bleaches their hair. These take every bit of orange and yellow and unwanted tones out of your hair. So this is how it works, which is a little tricky and took me forever to figure out at first. You screw the cap off. There's this little spout, and I was like, how do I get it out? There's a push cap, and you push this down. You push it down, and you hold it, and these come out. They come out slowly. That's for a really good reason. And it is because these are pure violet pigment. And the pure violet pigment in these will dye your hair blue. I've made that mistake when I used them maybe the third time because they were making my hair so light that I was like, maybe I could be more platinum. I never want to be too platinum, which is nice because these give you a lot of control, whereas purple shampoo, you just get what you get. You can choose how many drops you want to do in these. You don't want to do more than 2.5, possibly 3 if you're really, really brave. When I used them that one time, I had a couple blue streaks in my hair because I used 5 drops in my conditioner, and then I spread it throughout my hair. And, I let it sit in the shower for the 5 minutes, and I get out and I'm like, what is this blue in my hair? And when it washed out, I had these beautiful white streaks. But I was like, I'm not trying to have blue in my hair. I have a professional job and I need to not, look like a party clown. But these have literally changed the game because I have so much control now, and I'm able to really dose myself to get the hair color I want. But these have literally done wonders for my hair. Again, they're the Amika Violet blonde toning mixtape drops. You can find them at Sephora. That's where I found them. And they, like I said, they've done wonders. So this product is a microdermabrasion machine. I got it from Amazon. It is not the PMD, personal microderm abrasion device, whatever that's called, that's super popular. And the reason for that is when I read the reviews for the PMD, it was leaving pockmarks and bruises on people's face because it was so powerful. I found this machine from searching through the suggested products under the PMD on Amazon. It was only $50 compared to the PMD, which is $150. And I picked it out of all the other microdermabrasion machines I looked at because people didn't say it left pockmarks. Some people were like, it's not as strong as my other microdermabrasion machine. And I was like, that's good. That's fine. I don't need to be leaving bruises on my face. So this microdermabrasion machine, what it does and how you use it is you turn it on. There's 3 settings. This one's the lowest. This one's higher, more sucking power. This one's the highest. And I usually use the highest, but sometimes I'll use like the lower or the middle one depending on what I'm doing. And you use it on your face. And you turn it on, and I'll just demonstrate on my arm because I already used it on my face. And I don't want to use it on my face again today while I have makeup on. But you just, it sucks up. And it also exfoliates with the little ring. And you just drag it across your face kind of quickly. And you pull the skin a little bit. You're not supposed to use it, like, every day. It's not an everyday product. I kind of use it maybe twice a week now. It cleans my pores completely. My skin has never looked better. Like, my acne is starting to go away. I'm starting to have less, like, big pores, and I don't have any more visible blackheads, which is amazing. I will always have bad skin because of a medication I am on, but this is making it, like, bearable and manageable for the first time in, like, 3 years. So that's really amazing. So pros to this are, like, cleaner face, less clogged pores, smaller pores, less acne. A con to this is because it's, like, sucking up your skin and exfoliating at the same time, at least a con for me, is if I have a whitehead, I can't go over it or it will pop it immediately. And then I'm like, ew, that's disgusting. So it's just called microdermabrasion machine. It doesn't have any fancy name. It's by some company called New Dermo. I got the box, and then inside the directions were, like, completely in Mandarin Chinese. And I was like, okay, like, I figured out how to use it because I was like, oh, this is self-explanatory. I like the pressure a lot. It's never bruised my face. It's never left track marks or scars. And I've seen so many girls get track marks and scars from their microdermabrasion machines. So you just have to be really, really careful with these because you can't leave it in the same place for more than 2 seconds, which sounds kind of like a long time, but it absolutely isn't. But yeah, overall I love this machine. It's increased blood flow, it's decreased my acne, taken away blackheads, and it's making my acne a lot more manageable. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna be a little basic here, and I wouldn't normally promote a celebrity product, but Ulta was having a sale on Kylie Cosmetics, and I've literally never tried her beauty products, and I've always been, like, interested, and I've wanted to, but they're expensive, but all of her products were on sale, so I purchased a few things, and this is the Kylie bronzer. This is the Kylie bronzer in khaki. And I don't know if it's because I've never really used bronzer before, or if it's because it's like a really amazing product that matches my skin really well. But I absolutely love this. I put it in my cheekbones and it makes my already, kind of prominent cheekbones even more defined. I put a little on my forehead and it adds some shape, a little on the sides of my nose, and it adds some more dimension to my nose and a little on my chin. I just do it how I've seen like beauty gurus do it. I don't really know how to apply bronzer that well, and I've never really used it because I see so many girls over contouring with their makeup, and it looks great in photos and they're like beautiful, and it's like, do what you want to do. But in real life, your face is 3D. It's not flat like a photo. And when your face is 3D in real life and you look at someone from the side, from their like profile view, you can see the contour, and you very well know like that's not what your face looks like, because like I said, real life is 3D. But I've definitely noticed if I don't over contour and I just use a little bit of the Kylie pressed bronzing powder, it like adds a lot of dimension to my face that I really love. And this shade is called Khaki. Like I said, it's really beautiful. I think the drips are so fun that she does. And I really like that there's a mirror inside that I'm trying not to like blind you with. And I think the packaging with the millennial pink and the mirroring is really fun, because pink and like mirrors are like two of my favorite things. So yeah, this became a favorite really fast, and I'm really happy about it. I never thought I'd be talking about a celebrity product because I don't typically buy them, because I don't follow celebrities heavily, or really at all. But I did get this because it was on sale, and I think the Kardashians are really funny, and then I just fell in love with this bronzer. I really enjoyed filming this today. It's so nice to be making YouTube videos again and kind of settled into our nice house. It's like a 3-bedroom ranch, and it has a big yard, and I have a garden, and there's space for the dog to run, and we have a like volleyball net in the back too, and a fire pit, and like a patio, and it's a really like fun, pretty house. I am gonna do a video tour of the house, and I am going to do a tour of my walk-in closet, because my wife did give me a bedroom in the whole house for all my clothes and makeup and shoes and everything I wanted, which I'm so grateful for. I love her so much. And I just love this closet. I hang out in here a lot, and it's huge. It's the biggest walk-in closet I've ever had. So if you like this video, hit the like button down below, and if you want to see more content, please subscribe. I try to post videos weekly, and my content is centered around self-love and beauty and fashion. I'm having so much fun filming videos, posting on YouTube, and I really enjoy everything everyone says and comments, and I appreciate the followers, and I'm just loving what I'm doing right now. So thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, YouTube!